Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hanging indent in WPS Office Word. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my document in WPS Office and I'm going to apply the hanging indent to this paragraph. So first of all, I'm going to select the paragraph and we're going to right click and then go to the paragraph menu, and here you can go to the indentation and go to the spatial menu, and here you just need to choose hanging. Okay, and this is for the preview. Before you apply it, you can see the preview first and you're going to click on OK. Alright guys, and this is how it looks. And if you want to hanging indent some paragraphs, you just need to select the paragraphs like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to click right click and go to paragraph and then select hanging. Okay guys, and that's all the way to hanging indent in WPS Office Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.